What if your money paid you every single month, like a salary, without you ever clocking in? Not from a job, not from a side hustle, but from a system you build once and let run in the background. In 2026, this isn't some Wall Street fantasy anymore. With the right dividend portfolio, everyday investors across the U.S. are quietly generating consistent monthly income, covering rent, bills, even entire lifestyles. The crazy part is, most people still think dividends are slow, boring, or only for retirees. That mindset is exactly why they miss out on one of the most predictable and scalable income strategies available today. Let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense. A dividend is simply a portion of a company's profits that gets paid out to shareholders. When you own shares of a dividend-paying stock or ETF, you're essentially getting paid for holding that asset. Now, traditionally, most companies pay dividends quarterly, meaning 4 times a year. But here's where the strategy gets interesting. By carefully selecting a mix of dividend-paying assets that distribute income in different months, you can engineer a portfolio that pays you every single month instead of just once per quarter. This is what turns passive income from occasional to consistent.